Okay, very briefly, some of you, and I did publish this video as well in Spanish a couple of days ago. Some of you have asked me more about this Bitcoin. I will show you the chart with the cross, with the pair Bitcoin US dollar, because this is much more effective or much more traded than the Bitcoin euro. Well, in fact, before starting with analyzing the actual chart, the actual prices, I have to say that cryptocurrencies in general have had the biggest opportunity in history to really excel during this crisis because it was the very big opportunity with people confined without the possibility of using cash, etc., etc. It was an incredible opportunity to do it in this during this period to increase the use of it. What has happened? Nothing of this. In fact, the use of cash have been diminishing. According to statistics in several European countries, probably in the US is even bigger. The use of cash have been diminishing by 40% during April and March. So that means that people had not gone back to the cryptocurrencies and start using them for buying things. They have used transfers, they have used, of course, credit cards, PayPal, but not cryptocurrency. So this is the first conclusion. Cryptocurrencies have failed in this idea of substituting real money, if you permit me the expression. What happens? What happens is that Bitcoin has, and the rest of crypto, the actual cryptos at least, have become an instrument of speculation. Of course, there was a lot of speculation in the last days of 2017 that led us to the maxima around 20,000. And after this, there was a period of deceiving, the bubble bursted. And finally, after a period in 2019, probably around the March, April, the market rebounded and everyone was happy again. But as you see here, we are in what we can see, in what we could call the third or the second, I don't know, because this is very difficult to analyze with cryptos. Could be the third part of this butterfly chart in a very trend. I'm very skeptical about what is going to happen with Bitcoin. We attacked the third bearish trend line, and finally the market was not able to break. But apart from this, talking from a very realistic approach to cryptocurrencies, you have to take into account that Bitcoin has become a really, really old-fashioned crypto. It's using technology of about 12 years ago, and this in the world of blockchain is really, really old-fashioned. So in my humble opinion, we need new cryptos that will not be instruments of speculation only, but means of payment. So in my opinion, what is going to happen is that probably these days, probably till the beginning of summer or even during the start of summer, Bitcoin is going to be strong because of what is called halving of Bitcoin. So that means that the issue of Bitcoin has been diminished. That was stated in the creation of Bitcoin, and this is going probably to continue because of this. So the miners will receive half of the Bitcoins they did receive for mining, and that will create this effect of Bitcoin being very strong or strong at least during a period. In my opinion, it is not the moment to buy. We have to wait. We need really a revolution in the world of cryptos, and probably this is not the moment for Bitcoin unless there's a very strong change. Very difficult because this is a very decentralized currency, so that means that there's no one taking decisions, and this is one of the main problems of this currency. So keep calm, wait for new cryptos probably, and only buy if really Bitcoin breaks this 9,700 approximately. And if it does, buy, but just for the short run. I don't think this is a long run buy.